Thunder has roared to life with that Navy Buckeye jet engine on 4 wheels. With a parachute to get her started. It can accelerate quickly to 400 miles an hour. They're going to get out there and race, but first a little huff and puff. Melissa's trying to get into Bill's head. She's going to get down as low as she can to him, and as you can see, Bill's pretty low to the ground right now in Smoke and Thunder. Look at the energy with that afterburning jet engine. Oh, Melissa, getting close to the heat. Again, she's got the advantage with that jump start from the air. She'll already have her smash on. So what do you think? By applause, who thinks the airplane's got this? Who thinks Melissa's going to nail this and win? Who thinks Bill Braack has got it in Smoke and Thunder? Well, let's see what happens here as Melissa toys with him right now. He's going to get turned around. We're going to get the marshal out, the rest of his team there to make sure that Bill, he has no mirrors, he can't see her coming. And we want a fair start. We want him to start at exactly the same time, and then let's see what happens.
Oh, here it goes.
It's going to be smoking. Turned around now. Melissa will be checking it out. She turns in final. I can hear that big engine now. The jet's going to start spooling up. We'll listen for that. We'll hear it. And then Melissa, again, that jump start. Jim and John over there. The Colonel. And I hear it spooling up. I hear it spooling up. Let's see what happens. They're about to go. And he's going to get stopped with a good shoot, too. Ladies and gentlemen, Bill Braack, Smoke and Thunder jet car, Melissa Burns in her aerobatic airplane, and the race decided now officially, Bill's got it, as the Exotics head on out for their turn to rip down the runway. Please give it up for Melissa Burns as she gets ready to head back to the other airport, over to the International. Thank you, Melissa.